Okay, let's pivot over to the partnership and the journey that we've been on together, Oak Harbor Freight and Datafi. Let's talk a little bit about that, and then we'll wrap this up with a demo of a fully automated bill of lading agent and how it can take that bill and process it. So yeah, we met 3 years ago when you were looking for some changes, modernization of UI, being able to bring more information across the organization. Yeah, what are some of the challenges that you guys were wanting to solve, and Datafy was able to do that for you?
Oh yeah, no, that's 3 years ago, and even before that, we were trying. I was looking for a solution that I could easily share data with our employees across the enterprise. And so, I came across. We were introduced about 3 years ago, and you happen to have this solution that is for us, has the flexibility and the security to do the things that I was looking for. I was working with another package prior to that for our data warehouse,
Mm.
and it's evident that it didn't have the robustness, it didn't have the flexibility, it doesn't have the capability to do some of the things that I wanted to do. For instance, the you mentioned at the top of the session here about technical people know how to find data, but your super users and even your regular users don't necessarily know how to do this. And
Right.
so Datafy came along, and not only that it provided this ability to get the data, but it doesn't matter where the data lived, we can get to it. And the most important part is that a person with not a lot of technical knowledge would be able to develop an app,
Oh
right?
yeah,
To
yeah.
display to the phone, to the tablet, to your desktop, right? And the ability to do that. So I mean, I didn't have to hire three programmers to do the data warehouse, right?
Yeah, you could take business analysts,
You
and
could,
if they're subject matter experts, they could build use case applications for themselves and their team.
oh, absolutely. I mean, data scientists, business analysts, they know how data are constructed on the back end on the
Yeah,
databases. And so
yeah,
they just needed a way so that they don't get, you don't have to know PHP or Java or any of these other languages that you could display data on. It's all about configurable UI, and it's no code, low code, right? It could do charts, it could do all these things that we wanted to do. And so it's been for us, it's been this tool that allows us, and we're still on this roadmap that allows us to just basically share data across the enterprise, and not only enterprise, but I know you and I are talking about also extending this to our customers,
your
right?
partners, your external
We're
customers.
partners.
Yes, yeah, it's a
And
nice way to be able to bring them in.
oh my gosh, yes. And so this, if just imagine if a customer has the ability to get their data, slice their data, they can do charting and you know find the data themselves. That would be more satisfaction on their side because they don't need to request the data from us. They can
Yeah,
just go to the portal and look at it. And the same thing with our departments. They don't need to go to IT to request a data or a report sent to them on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. They can just go to the Datafy side and be able to get it themselves.
yeah.